Hey everyone, this is Kim Duraki. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make this unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy A10. As you can see here, this is a brand new phone. Actually, it has been released a couple of months ago, but it's very late, and I have used already. This seal is cut already here. Okay, I'm gonna make this unboxing video. Let's see how it looks like and what's inside it. Okay. Okay, this is the phone. Zoom in. ফোনটা কি Okay, I'm gonna make this on. It will take a little bit time to set up. Okay, this is really sexy phone. I'm very glad to buy it. This is, you can see the corners here. I've set up already all the things here. I'm gonna show you the features, what inside it, and specifications. You will get clear everything here. Okay, something written on the boxes. That is, it has infinity V display and front camera and back camera. What is that? Back camera maybe 13 megapixel and front is 5 megapixel, and battery backup will be great, 3400 megahertz. 4G LTE and octa-core processor is using, and display is 6.1, that is HD plus display, and 32 GB internal memory with 2 GB RAM. That's gonna work very fast. The display is Gorilla Glass. I'm not mentioning you what the brand of the display, what company the display is using here. This is the volume buttons and the power buttons. Here, this is the flash, and this one is rear cameras, 13 megapixels, and the brand name Samsung. Here, this is noise cancellation. This one is USB, micro USB port, and this one 3.5 nanometer earphone jack, and this one is noise cancellation sensor here, and this one is a speaker gill here. Okay, now camera is not zooming here. As you can see here, this UI is very fantastic. I like it, and this one is experience UI user interface that Samsung is using here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the Android version that I'm using here. Go to settings, and actually you can see here this is working very fast, and my experience is pretty good, that I'm very glad to use it because it's working very fast. Okay, this one is a model number here, so my information is here, and software information you can see here, that is Android Pie 9. Okay, this version is here using, and this is Samsung charger. You can see the output volt rating, that is 5.0 volt with 1.0 ampere, and really it charges fast, and made in India here. And this was SIM ejector tool that is used for eject the two SIMs from this phone. And as I have installed this SIM in here, and I'm not gonna show you that, but you can use here. There is a somewhere is the SIM slot here. Okay, I'm gonna show you that is hybrid slot. How many SIM slots are there? I'm gonna show you that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open it. Okay, this triple SIM slot here. I have already inserted a SIM Geo SIM using Geo network. Okay, you can use two SIMs and one this memory card slot here. Okay. Okay, guys, I've given a little bit description about these devices, and you can search it online, and you go through the web pages, and you get to know everything about it. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Wait for next video.